Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is day 27, and today we are going to practice a very useful real-life conversation, asking for help or reporting something at a police station. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for daily English lessons.
Yes, if you want to learn how to ask questions confidently in English in urgent or official situations, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. Excuse me, officer. I need some help.
Of course. How can I help you today?
I think my wallet was stolen on the bus this morning. I want to report it.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me exactly what happened?
Yes, I was on bus number 24 at around 9 a.m. I got off at Central Market, and when I checked my bag, my wallet was missing.
I see. Did anyone suspicious approach you, or did you notice anything unusual?
No, not really. Everything seemed normal until I realized my wallet was gone.
Okay. Do you remember what was in your wallet?
Yes, I had about $50 in cash, my ID card, and 2 credit cards.
Thank you. Can I have your full name and contact information?
Sure, my name is Anna Roberts. My phone number is 555-123-6789. My address is 12 Elm Street, Springfield.
Great. Do you know the bus company or the bus number?
Yes, it was bus number 24, operated by City Bus Services.
Is there any way to track it? Maybe the bus driver saw something.
Yes, we can contact the bus company and the driver. They often have CCTV cameras that may help us identify what happened.
That would be great. I hope they can find it.
I will need you to fill out a lost property report form. It will include the details of your wallet, where you lost it, and what items were inside.
Okay. How long will it take to process?
Usually, it takes a few hours for initial processing. If we have any updates, we will call you immediately.
Do I need to take any precautions with my credit cards?
Yes, you should contact your bank and report the cards as lost. They can freeze them to prevent unauthorized use.
I will do that right away. Thank you for the advice.
Also, is there anything else I should do to protect myself?
Yes, keep a record of all your lost items. Change your passwords if any cards were linked to online accounts. And avoid sharing personal information until you know everything is safe.
Got it. I will follow your instructions.
Here is the form. Please fill in your details and sign it at the bottom.
Thank you. I will do it carefully.
Once completed, we will submit it to our Lost and Found division and start the investigation.
I appreciate your help. I feel a bit relieved now.
No problem. That's what we are here for. If you remember anything else or notice any suspicious activity, please call us immediately.
I will. Thank you for your guidance and patience.
You're welcome. Take care and stay safe. Thank you for joining today's lesson at the police station. We hope it helped you learn useful English phrases for reporting lost items or asking for help in official situations.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Learn English Moments. Share it with friends so they can learn too. See you tomorrow for day 28. Keep practicing your English every day.